Hello everyone, this is a review for the Zanussi cylinder vacuum cleaner ZAN1910UEL. As you can see, it's a very nice vacuum cleaner with a sleek designer and well built. It can be stored upright thanks to the hook at the back. And it's quite easy to maneuver because it's got these small wheels. So it's got 3 wheels and then these small wheels which rotate 360 degrees. It can be carried easily up and down the stairs. It's very light, only 5.6 kilograms. And the very good thing is it's got 2 big buttons at the top. One is the cord rewinder and the other one is the on and off button. It's bagless. And it's very easy to clean, although it's very small, so it needs to be empty quite often. So if you open this one, and then there is an orange button, you push and it opens, as it's quite dirty because we've been using it quite long. You can clean the filter as well. You can run it under the tap. It gets quite clean. It's got 4 attachments, which is the carpet cleaner, the hard flooring one, the crevice tool, and the upholstery tool. Now I will show you how it works. The suction is very powerful and it's got an A rating cleaning performance, so it cleans really, really well. Overall, it's a very nice hoover, although probably it will be better as a second hoover or for small apartments, purely because the dust compartment is not very big and the cord is 4.5 meters long, but I find it that is not long enough, especially if you go like a big living room or a big kitchen. Thank you for reviewing the Zanussi cylinder vacuum cleaner, and thank you for the opportunity to review this product. The delivery service was really good, and the hoover was well packed with all the instructions. Thank you again. Bye.